Whatever recipe you decide to try, Tesla blenders are here to offer support, both with rubber feet for extra stability and with so many useful options. Today we are talking about this sophisticated black Tesla blender with 4 steel blades. This device is great if you want to boost your fiber and nutrient intake in a single go. It allows you to perfectly blend fruits and veggies and enjoy nutritious smoothies for long-lasting energy. 4 quality steel blades are designed to extract all the nutrients for a glass full of vitamins and fiber. Thanks to the rubber feet, the blender won't move during operation or while you're removing the bowl. Cleaning the device is also easy with Dishwasher Safe parts. Let's not forget that this model will surely add a dash of elegance to your kitchen.